back for another video. This one is about subscribers, or non-subscribers, I should say. I'm at about, I think it's 87% of the people who watch my videos are non-subscribers. What I would like to ask those people is to please subscribe, because just a small percentage, like 10% of you, if you subscribed, then that would take me up over to that 1,000 mark. I'm at 836 now, but if a small percentage of you non-subscribers who watch my videos would subscribe, that would take me probably past 1,000. So anyhow, it's a plea to you to please hit that subscribe button, maybe the bell, so you get notified. But anyhow, I would deeply appreciate those non-subscribers who watch my videos to please subscribe. Anyhow, hope you're having a great day, and thank you very much for viewing my videos in the first place.